Garage door safety tip for you. If your power goes out and you can't get your garage door open to get your car out, you pull down on this manual disconnect and your garage door lifts right up. Here's where the safety comes in. Your garage door spring should be tightened up enough to keep this garage door from coming back down. That's not safe. Imagine being underneath this when it comes crashing down that hard. Any overhead garage door company will come out and tighten up your springs up here. Do not try this at home. They are extremely dangerous.